Wadhi kaunti ma Homa Bay kama doho ma Homa Bay omiyo bila thuolo mandala bich mar medo dino ne Achije abiriyo mane omaki ka itudo gi nek mar japuonjre manie hike mar 4 e mbalariany ma Tom Mboya. Jang'ad buche Christina Uka oyie ne obila mondo mede dino ne Achije go magin jotije magawa moro e bomano mondo gidhi mbele gi nonro magitimo. Achije go ne omaki ngeso bang' tho mar japuonjre no kendo kawuono ne ochopgi e doho. Obila kwayo ndalo 15 mar timo nonro, kata kamano nomigi ndalo 5 mar tieko nonro. Achije go idhi med dinnegi e tesend obila ma Homa Bay.
CCTV can be manipulated. CCTV is easily manipulated. Even at that premises, even though we didn't see physical, but you can find out that it had been removed. So we need to check that. We are making that application that we detain the suspects for a period of 15 days so that we can conclude all those that I've mentioned before you, Your Honor.
You are just apprehensive that this is an emotional matter. That's why you want them to be kept behind bars. Is that true?
We can have the postmortem report prepared and supplied to the respondents in this particular suit.
The applicant is given leave to conduct investigations within 5 days of today's date, and that the court has taken into consideration the holidays in between. Secondly, for the 5 days given to the applicants, all the respondents shall be detained at the Homa Bay police station.